Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Kraken. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.kraken.com/signup. Once the page has been loaded up, choose if you want to create a personal account or a business account. Then enter your email address. Then create a password with at least 12 characters, one number, one special character, and one letter. Once you have created a password, you can reassure by clicking to this eye icon. Then, once you have reassured, choose your country of residence. Then, choose your state or province. Then click to agree to terms and conditions. Then you can create a Kraken account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.